Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best stink balm is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for tackling unpleasant odors, offering a unique approach to freshness that stands out in a crowded market. This product aims to neutralize smells at their source rather than just masking them, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a long-lasting and powerful odor eliminator for various applications, from personal use to home environments. Its specialized formula is designed to break down odor-causing molecules, providing a clean and refreshing scent that users can rely on. Number 5. Stinkbalm Odor Blocker Lavender. Are you constantly battling unwanted smells in your home or car? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to neutralize and block odors effectively. This is the Stinkbalm Odor Blocker, your new ally against persistent smells. It's designed for maximum odor control. Experience the soothing power of lavender. This variant is infused with natural lavender essence to provide a pleasant and calming aroma. Enjoy long-lasting freshness. It works continuously to keep your spaces smelling clean and inviting for extended periods. Simply place it where needed and let it work its magic. You'll be amazed at how quickly and effectively it eliminates odors. Transform any environment into a sanctuary of freshness. Say goodbye to embarrassing odors and hello to a more pleasant atmosphere. What we like. Experience the soothing power of lavender. This balm is designed to create a pleasant barrier against unwanted smells. If you're seeking a moment of calm amidst a chaotic day, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a great product that really works. It is a great product that really works. Number 4. Stinkbalm Odor Blocker Vanilla Scent. Tired of unpleasant odors? Introducing Stinkbalm, your solution to a fresher environment. Experience the difference it makes. This powerful formula effectively blocks unwanted smells. Keep your space smelling clean and inviting, no matter the source. Enjoy the pleasant and invigorating scent of vanilla. It leaves behind a subtle, refreshing aroma that enhances any room. Its long-lasting effect ensures continuous freshness. You can rely on it to maintain a pleasant atmosphere throughout the day. Using it is simple and convenient. Just a small amount provides significant odor control and a delightful fragrance. Transform any space into a haven of freshness. Say goodbye to bad odors and hello to a delightful vanilla scent. What we like. Indulge in the comforting scent of vanilla. It effectively neutralizes unpleasant odors, making your environment more enjoyable. For those who appreciate a sweet and familiar fragrance while needing odor protection, this option is ideal. What people say. This is a great product that works wonders. It is a must-have for anyone who needs a quick fix. The product is very effective and easy to use. Number 3. Stinkbalm Odor Blocker Evergreen Scent. Tired of unpleasant odors? Introducing Stinkbalm, your solution to a fresher environment. Experience the refreshing and natural scent of evergreen. It's like bringing the outdoors in. This powerful formula effectively blocks unwanted smells. Enjoy lasting freshness throughout your day. Simply apply it where needed for instant odor control. It's convenient and effective. Keep your space smelling great for longer. Enjoy the confidence that comes with a consistently fresh environment. Choose Stinkbalm for a breath of fresh air. Say goodbye to odors and hello to a pleasant atmosphere. What we like. Breathe in the crispness of evergreen. This balm provides a refreshing scent while blocking out foul odors. If you love the outdoors or need a natural smelling defense against unpleasant smells, this scent is a great pick. What people say. The product is effective and works as described. The design is user-friendly and easy to apply. It provides long-lasting relief from discomfort. Number 2. Stinkbalm Odor Blocker Survival Kit. Introducing the Stinkbalm Odor Blocker Survival Kit. Simply apply it under your nose to effectively block unpleasant odors. This kit is designed to be compact and easy to carry. You can slip it into your pocket or bag for odor protection wherever you go. Created by a registered nurse, it's perfect for demanding on-the-job use. Experience relief designed for professionals. It's ideal for healthcare professionals, caregivers, and commuters. Anyone facing smelly situations can benefit from this solution. Looking for a thoughtful present? This makes a unique and useful gift for anyone who needs to tackle unpleasant smells. Each kit is proudly made in the USA in small batches. This ensures quality and attention to detail in every product. What we like? Get double the protection with this convenient 2-pack. Developed by a registered nurse, it's trusted for professional use. If you're a healthcare worker, a frequent traveler, or anyone who regularly encounters challenging smells, this kit offers reliable, on-the-go defense. What people say. This is a great product that works wonders. It has a unique design that is very effective. The product is very functional and has many useful features. Number 1. BURT'S Superfruit Moisturizing Lip Balm. Discover the power of nature with our Superfruit Moisturizing Lip Balm. It's crafted with 100% natural ingredients to keep your lips soft and hydrated all day long. Experience the nourishing blend of superfruits in every application. This balm is designed to provide intense moisture and a healthy look to your pout. We believe in the purity of nature. That's why this lip balm is made with only natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective way to care for your lips. Keep your lips feeling their best with this essential daily moisturizer. Its rich formula helps to combat dryness and chapping, leaving them smooth and comfortable. Achieve a perfectly moisturized and healthy-looking smile. This lip balm is your go-to for natural beauty and lasting hydration. What we like? Nourish your lips with natural goodness. This balm is packed with superfruit extracts for ultimate hydration. If your primary concern is lip care and you prefer a natural, fruity scent, this lip balm is the perfect everyday companion. What people say. The product is very effective in masking odors. It has a pleasant scent that is not overpowering. The balm is easy to apply and absorbs quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.